This is a step-by-step installation guide for our RoyalGaurd railing system. Unload and unpack your order. Make sure all the parts and pieces are there. Make sure everything is stored on a solid, flat surface. This includes the PVC railings, aluminum stiffeners, balusters, hardware, and support blocks. Use a tape measure to mark the center point for your newel post location in the area where you are installing. Mark post location. Drill the holes for the structural post where it will anchor. Use a screw gun or impact driver to secure the post with the provided hardware. Slide the structural post bracket upward to the proper height so it's centered with where the railing brackets will attach. Drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole in the marked area and secure the post bracket in place with the appropriate screw. Install the post sleeve and base over the structural post bracket. Level and plumb the sleeve. Once set, hand tighten the nut to lock the post sleeve in position. Measure the distance between the posts for both top and bottom rails. Transfer the measurements to the PVC rails and aluminum stiffeners. Using a miter box with a fine-tooth carbide blade, cut your PVC rails and stiffeners to length. Mark your balustrade spacing onto the rails. This will require some math to be done on site. Transfer to both top and bottom rails. Creating a jig on site will accelerate the process. Secure each baluster to the railings. 2 screws at the bottom rail, 1 long and 1 short. Secure the top rail with 1 long screw. Use the provided support blocks to install the bottom aluminum stiffener in place. Use the hardware provided to install the brackets to the newel posts. Secure aluminum bracket to post. Once set, drill a hole for the sidewalk screw and lock the bottom aluminum stiffener in place. Take the support block and center under the aluminum stiffener. Mark position and drill holes through the aluminum only, then secure the support block using screws. Longer sections require multiple spacers, keeping them around 3 feet on centers. Drop in the assembled section from top down. Make sure it is centered on the rails and repeat the same steps installing the top bracket to post. Drill the hole for sidewalk bolts. If you like to conceal the sidewalk bolt on the underside of the top rail, dimple using a 3/4 inch hole saw. This step is optional. Install the sidewalk bolt, locking the assembly in place. Once the sidewalk bolt is in place, drill and screw every 3rd baluster through the aluminum channel to lock the balusters in place. Sand the top lip of the bottom portion as well as the bottom of the top portion of the top rail with 100 grit sandpaper. Apply adhesive provided on the railing edges and snap the top rail in place. Apply adhesive around the perimeter of the newel post top and snap the post cap in place. That concludes our installation guide for the RoyalGaurd railing. For more guides on stair railings, column connections, and other architectural systems, visit our video library.